And we're back here at Cope's Corner. It is 13 May 2019 on this cold and rainy morning in Philadelphia. And we're going to get right into it this morning. And a little disclaimer before I get into all this financial information. I just want to say that this is all for educational purposes, so please don't misconstrue this for advice or anything like that. So we're just going to get into the five hot stocks that I saw this week. So the first one is CVRS, and here's the chart. You guys can check these out on your own. I'm just going to give you a brief overview of each. So this was up big last week, up 37%. So it's definitely on the radar this week. Looks like it could break out. CFMS is the next one. Also huge gainer last week. So this, we're also looking for breakout potential. The next is SRAX. I've been talking about this for a couple weeks. I think it has a good network effect in place. It's a really small company. That's why I put the market cap up here, 51 million. But the price per earnings is sub 6. So from an investor standpoint, it looks like a cheap valuation. But yeah, you never know. It could drop off. That's why we want to cut our losses early. You got to remember to do that. So the next stock I want to highlight is CYTK. And this isn't up 30% last week like all the other ones. We're looking at 30% breakout to be this next week. So we're going to be tracking this carefully. You know, it doesn't hit all the boxes on our checklist because it doesn't have that 30% gain, but we are going to track it, and it's right under the $1 million volume mark. But we think it could hit both of those this week. So definitely going to track this stock. And the last one is Workhorse, WKHS, and this is a cool story of flying cars, but it was up huge last week, 93%. You guys can look into the catalyst yourself because we don't have time for that today. Those are the five hot stocks, and this is just an example execution file here with the entry prices, and based on the position sizing and the account size, it calculates how many shares you should buy. So it's a really useful tool, and you can get it at tradeplanconsulting.com/tip-tools. And you can also pick up some other cool tools on that page as well. So remember to test all your ideas, guys. Remember, the test is the time frame, entrance, stop, and target. You want to have all these things predetermined before you're getting into these trades. And the checklist that I use is also in the same page. It's the second downloadable on that page. So definitely going to want to check that out. If you like this, make sure to hit that like button. And you can also subscribe to the Dkope channel, get these real-time postings. And I'll see everybody next week. Thanks.